Yeah, hi Sachin. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm fine. How are you doing today?
Yeah, it's been a good.
It's okay. I'm really glad to have you here today. Thank you so much for joining this conversation today.
It's my pleasure, Sachin. Yeah,
Yes, so here are for the very first time, so giving an intro to the viewers so they can get to know about you.
yeah. So actually, I'm working as an AI engineer in one of the biggest organization, which is US product-based company, and around 3+ years of experience I have in core AI, having handling computer vision, real-time projects, and also Gen AI-based projects. And yeah, and that's it.
Oh, so you know about the AIs.
Yeah. It's booming. Like AI is nowadays everywhere is AI. So everyone is talking about AI, how AI works, what is the technology used inside that AI, and how it will be impacting on industry standard or like industries. So that is also there.
So you are more interested in AI. That's why you choose the AI or
Yeah,
AI related technologies.
yeah. Like 3 years before, I think about switching my career into the AI. So that time, I think that is the best decision I have made. And right now, I've been working on AI and like exploring, learning, and like giving the output with respect to the agents and also vision projects as well.
Nice. That's AI is currently in AI. It's very boomer in IT sector, right? So
Yeah,
in daily basis, how we can use the AIs like to complete the task and little bit to give the better communication with us, something like that. Can you please share with us?
yeah. So right now, everywhere is AI. Like there are multiple AI tools in the market present. So like ChatGPT, Cloud. There are also like vision tools as well, like Overflow, and some of the like PPT presentation tool is there. So we can use each and every tools on a daily basis, so we can increase our productivity. Like previously, there are like 10 to 15 employees working on the same project. So right now, with the help of AI tools, within 2 to 3 people can handle all the projects. So that is the main factor, key factor with use of AI. So that is it.
Mm, that's very nice to hear from you, and how the conversation is important in AI tech, right? So in the basis of presentations or something like that, how you present your AI to any of the people or any corporate words.
Yeah, so basically AI works on data. Like if you want to prepare the AI, for that you need to be the data. Like suppose small child is there, so we have to teach or task them like this is the app, this is a banana, this is the table, or like this is some kind of items. So same like that we are doing with AI models. So we have to prepare the data, process that data with respect to the understanding level, like splitting into the chunks, creating the embeddings. Embedding is nothing but the vector form of the numbers, and that embeddings are stored into the specific databases. And whatever the query we ask or we have, that query it will take a semantic search or like some kind of keyword based search. So based on that, we retrieve the information. So mostly AI is work on data. Like if you have huge amount of data, you will get the better answer. If you have trained your model on respect to multiple hyperparameters with respect to the different classification matrices, then the model will be accurate, more accurate. In recent era, like we know ChatGPT, Cloud, they are also not 100% accurate, but they are like improving on a day by day basis. Like they have also reinforcement learning approach, correct? So on a daily basis, user do conversation. That data also stored in their memory. So previous data plus recent data, they continuously like learn in a sequence, incremental sync basis. So based on the day by day activity, based on the yearly activities, it track each and every information. Based on that, it will give the answer. And in future, AI agent will be replaced some kind of there are non-skill jobs. Suppose recently BPOs replaced by AI, some data entry and some kind of Some jobs are also replaced by AI. So in future, the skillful person having specific agent. So one agent will be assigned for them. So this agent will help him a lot, like for each and every task, like development, like their personal life, future life, whatever the scenario is there. So that is the AI.
Nice. I heard from you a little bit more about, because you have 3 years of experience and you have the deep knowledge about the AIs. So
It's not like a deep knowledge. I'm going to like deep dive into the more, explore more. I have a bit of knowledge in AI, like exploring that AI concepts, developing a end-to-end industry product based, industry based product. So I have no familiar with AI and all kind of the like resources, but I have to be deep dive into that. How the impact of performance with respect to the AI. How can we like control the AI? That is also one of the most important thing in future. Like recent, we couldn't control. Like whatever is we ask, it gives the whatever the information collecting from the internet. But we can't control the AI. In future, maybe there are also controlling resources available. So we have to explore that one also. There are multiple things with respect to the AI.
so again, the one question is comes: do you think the AI will make your our lives easier or more little bit complicated?
As per my point of view, I think it is helpful for human being, like who want to explore, who like have skills like skillful mindset, want to explore more, who have like research oriented mindset. So AI will be make this job is more easier compared to other one. Previously, we have used like a notepad and we do coding in that notepad. Then VS Code come to the market. Then people think about yes, VS Code is there. Then most of the developer will go on. Then, but VS Code increase the job opportunity and also like some kind of automation also provided by VS Code. So same like that AI. If employees are eager to learn things, eager to learn technologies, then AI will always helpful. But we need to be like control the AI. That is the main concern.
So communication is needed for this AI's world, as like prompting or something like.
Not communication, like basic communication you have, that's fine. You can give the specific key like syntax to the AI and ask him like recorrect it in a proper prompting basis. Then that step will be like a correct the proper sentence and you can feed the AI. So AI will give as per your expectation answer. That is also one thing. But communication is little bit playing vital role because prompt engineering requires communication, basic communication. Like you have at least proper knowledge of grammatical concept, grammatical things in English. How to convince your approach to the prompt in the prompt. That is also major concern. And yeah, uh, if you want, then you have to be learn prompt engineering. Because everywhere is a prompt engineering, like people discussing about that. So if you know how to give a prompt to the AI, then you will be successful, definitely. Then it will give the response that is you expect, and you'll do whatever you want later that.
Exactly.
That is,
So basically, for prompting, you need to know the basic English for
yeah,
prompting, right? If you want the
correct,
result, if you want better result, so as per you can put that prompt, right?
correct.
Nice, nice. So can you suggest some of the tools which is used for better communicate in easier
Better
way?
communication. Too. Yeah, actually, I also use one of them. Like Talk Now is a older one, and another one is just a second. I'll give you that name also.
Mm-hmm.
AF S Fluency. S Fluency is the one of the best tool that I have heard in the market. So randomly, suppose we call to like put a call in S Fluency, then randomly it will check all over India or maybe Bangladesh, and based on that, it will select random people from random location, and they will communicate with you. On a free trial, they will provide around 20 minutes of time, so you can talk with respect to their personal life, future life, or maybe like career aspects.
Mm-hmm.
And if 20 minutes is gone, then they will inform like your conversation will end within a minute, and it will cut down the call. And if you want to like take a subscription, then it will free to all. So
Exactly.
that is one of the best platform for communication. I personally use that one, and it impacted me a lot. Because 3 months ago, before switching my previous company, I tried that tool for around 15 days, and based on that, my fluency is also better. And later that, I just tried some interviews and just was selected in one of the biggest organizations.
Oh, means you are using the in real world, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm using that one, and in future I will be, because fluency is also matter. Like if you have to like practice, then English will be better and better, better.
Mm-hmm. You maintain the consistency, right, for this
Yes,
talking
yes.
and better communicate. If
And also one thing is there in your organization or like in our environment, we have to make a friends like that. So whatever conversation we have, like just go with English.
if there again, see, if AI become your best friend, right? So what would you ask it first?
AI is my best friend, and what I ask it first.
Yes.
As per actually different people having different mindset, different approach. Um, I have like a learning approach, and I my mind is like what are the things I ask to the AI, like it's about the learning, it's about the exploring,
Mm-hmm.
because I'm in the best domain. So that's why I always ask how this thing works. Like suppose I will give the example. Do you know about the 4G and 5G difference? How it's work? What is the like networking or like things is there behind that? How 4G is like around some kind of limitation, 5G is better than 4G. So like that things that I wasn't know, but I want to explore that one, so I use for that always. Yeah.
So there is more interesting in the AI, and I think viewers also use that the app which you suggested. But for the daily basis, what is the one app or technology you literally cannot live without right now? Which technology do you
We
think? Which technologies literally cannot live without that technology? Like a chat GPT. So for example, I have some concerns, so ask again within the 2 seconds. I ask to chat GPT, he give me answer and suggestions, right? So something like that. Can you suggest that for better communications?
Yeah, better communication. If you want to focus on mostly better communication, then there are three approaches. First one is reading. Okay. Second one is like memorizing that what we read or like what we consume. And third one is like speaking. And also, if you want, then you can listen. That three things is also like impacting you rather than AI. AI is a, like a tool. AI is a, like a platform. It's like an agent to like provide a service to you. But these are core things: listen, read, and talk to memorize or speak. That thing will always improve your communication. That is the old approach.
Mm-hmm.
So previously from 19th centuries, everyone is like using that same approach. And also, I have heard in my colleges, like if you want to make a communication fluently, like make a communication better, then watch English movies, web series, and try to read newspaper. Also, try to watch the news channels which like having English conversations.
Mm-hmm.
So those are also a better platform. So
Thank
that
you
is
for these
the
suggestions. I think that suggestions will very helpful for viewers. And for one question is again, what do you do in your free time?
right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm working on a cloud-based like SaaS, cloud-based and SaaS-based product, which is agentic AI related topic. And I have done that almost, and just moved to the another one project. But on a daily basis, I try to explore. Like there are multiple AI tools present in the market. Like There is also 910 also available. Like also another tool is we use we also tried the one tool like Obsidian,
Mm-hmm.
or like Path is also recommended that one. Then we use Relevance AI, Vibe Coding, Open Cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to be like automate our workflow. Open Cloud is one of the best platform ever. Like you have to like you do not have to like learn the coding or like that. You have to just maintain the some automation things pipeline. And you have to like do the data. It will provide you a sheet or like that.
Yes, exactly.
So yes,
Thank you so much for your sharing your thoughts. It was great talking with you, Nandel.
yeah,
And
it's non atomic. Yeah.
your suggestion thoughts and your suggested tools will very helpful for us. We'll work on that, Nandel.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much to joining this conversation, Nandel, again.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.